regulators. We regulate any stealing of his property. We're damn good, too. But you can't be any geek off the street. Gotta be handy with the steel, if you know what I mean. Earn your keep.
Regulators! Mount up!
I guess it's baseball's opening day and the Mariners are playing. So I'm going to do a couple of rack of ribs. I'm actually going to do one rack on the Traeger pellet grill using pecan. I've never cooked with pecan before, so we'll give that a try. And then I'm also going to do a hanging rack on the Ugly Drum smoker. I'm going to be using Kingsford Original with that and some of my mixed blend of pellets. I'm going to put that in there for smoking. I'm going to get the charcoal going in there and do a little cook on that as well for lunch. So stay tuned. So I thought I had hot dog buns, but I don't. So just gonna make ourselves a little snack real quick here. Ketchup, mayo. Grab these dogs off of here. Doing this while the coals get heated up. Made myself a little what I call Phil snack. Phil and Florence, this is for you, buddy. Can't forget this part of it. Cheers, everybody. Both grills have now been going for a little over 2 hours. See how this one's holding? Right there where it should be. Let's have a look down in there. Oh my. That is like perfection. Oh. Alright, let's look at what's going on over here at the Traeger. So now I'm going to take them both out, wrap them up, add a little bit of foil, not add a little foil, sorry, add some brown sugar, some butter, and some apple cider vinegar. Okay, this is the rack of ribs that were on the Ugly Drum smoker. Let's unwrap them and see what they look like. Oh my, look at that. Look at that pullback. Look at that coloring. Oh, it's beautiful. We're going to get these back on the grill, sauce them up, and get that sauce cooked on there for a minute. Then we'll look at the ones on the Traeger. This first rack, we're going to be using the Five Guys barbecue sauce. So we'll just open it up. A little dab of it on there. Usually. Okay, this is the rack that was on the Traeger. Look at it. Oh man, look at all that juice. Oh, beautiful coloring. Oh, so nice, so nice. So we'll get this one sauced up and back on the Traeger. This, on the Traeger, we're going to use honey barbecue sauce from Sweet Baby Ray's. Give these about 15 minutes and they should be ready to eat. Okay, here's the finished ribs. I brought them in the house. The one closest to the screen is the one that has the Five Monkeys barbecue sauce, and then the one on the back has the Sweet Baby Ray's. Let's just take a quick zoom in on these. You can see how beautiful they are. They came out spectacular. So let's cut them, see what they taste like. Sweet Baby Ray's, look at that. Look at that nice coloring in there. That's perfect. You can just see the moisture in them. Yum. We can wipe my hands off real quick. Alrighty, let's cut into this one. Figure out which way the bones go on these. That's always fun. Okay, so here's the one that was on the Ugly Drum Smoker. So beautiful, perfectly done. They both are. Can't wait to taste them. Let's try the Sweet Baby Ray's first. Perfect bite. Wow. Damn. Oops, sorry. You can never go wrong with Sweet Baby Ray's. That's one of my favorite sauces. And the Code 3 Patriots all-purpose seasoning on these. Oh, perfect. So good. Wow. Let's try the one that came off the Ugly Drum with the Five Monkeys sauce, which is also a good sauce. Oh. Yeah. This is the very reason why I love ribs. Wow. So good. A little bit of spice to it, but it's really good. Yeah. I am so happy with the way those came out. Probably got stuff hanging out of my mouth, but I don't care. That's good. That's like caveman style. Test. Bear me.